What's the meaning of aristocratic? Aristocratic. Aristocratic.
Aristocratic. Aristocratic. The term aristocratic is typically used to describe someone or something that is related to the aristocracy, which is a class of people who hold noble titles and are considered to be of high social rank. This term is often associated with wealth, privilege, and exclusivity, as the aristocracy historically held significant political and economic power. The concept of aristocracy has been a subject of debate and criticism throughout history, with some arguing that it is inherently unjust and perpetuates inequality and elitism in society.